Hello and welcome to this video on how AI and ChatGPT will change the educational system. Before we begin, please like, subscribe and share our content to help us grow, and stay tuned till after the video for a surprise. AI and ChatGPT are rapidly advancing technologies that are set to revolutionize the way we learn. In this video, we will explore the risks and benefits of using these technologies in education and discuss how educators can prepare for the change. Let's first examine what they are. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, the ability to improve performance based on experience; reasoning, the ability to draw conclusions and make decisions based on information; and self-correction. ChatGPT is a specific type of AI model known as a language model. Language models are trained on large amounts of text data and are able to generate human-like text based on the patterns and structures they learned during training. ChatGPT is trained on conversational text and is able to generate responses to text inputs such as questions and prompts. This allows ChatGPT to be used in applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants. Let's take a look at the benefits. One major advantage of using AI and ChatGPT in education is personalization. By analyzing data on each student's learning style and progress, these technologies can tailor the learning experience to each individual's needs. This can lead to more efficient and effective learning for students of all abilities. Another benefit is the ability to provide 24/7 access to learning materials. With AI and ChatGPT, students can access educational resources and receive help from virtual tutors at any time, from anywhere. This can greatly increase access to education for students in remote areas or those with scheduling conflicts. Now, let's consider the risks. One risk is the potential for AI and ChatGPT to replace human teachers. While these technologies can supplement the role of teachers, they should not be used as a replacement. This could lead to a loss of human connection and personalization in the learning experience. Another risk is the potential for these technologies to perpetuate biases. If the data used to train AI and ChatGPT systems is biased, the systems themselves will also be biased. This could lead to unfair and unequal treatment of students. To prepare for the integration of AI and ChatGPT in education, educators should stay informed about the latest developments in these technologies. They should also consider how these technologies can complement and enhance the role of human teachers, rather than replacing them. In conclusion, AI and ChatGPT have the potential to greatly improve the educational system by increasing personalization and access to education. However, it's important to consider the potential risks and ensure that human teachers are not replaced by these technologies. With the right approach, educators can harness the power of AI and ChatGPT to enhance the learning experience for students. Now, here is the surprise. Would you believe that this video was created using AI? The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel.